Vegamix, an AI insights technology company, has demonstrated capabilities of predictive maintenance to learn, identify, and predict grounding conditions of aircraft in order to achieve better cost savings. In the civilian and mostly military markets, large numbers of aging aircraft will have years or even decades of service life to be managed at great cost. Aging aircraft exhibit all of the structural issues of machines that have been used above and beyond their design service life. In the U.S. Air Force alone, the average aircraft age reached 29 years in 2021. In addition, studies show that the cost of flying hours steadily increases with airframe age. Structural integrity of helicopters used beyond service life is first affected by failure of critical components of the drivetrain. Transport aircraft in general are subject to high cycle fatigue cracks compounded by corrosion, which weakens the structure and therefore shorten design service life of principal structural elements. The harsh environment of space further increases maintenance difficulty for spacecraft. This is why NASA is developing integrated vehicle health monitoring for second-generation reusable launch vehicles. Similarly, structural health monitoring systems should help predict cracks propagation in the ISS. The Predictive Maintenance Assistant is a deep learning network platform designed as a plug-in system interfaced with customer legacy system and partners API. It is a highly customizable solution presently designed for armed forces or space operators. The PMA model comprises a core analytics managed by Vegamix. It also implies the integration of various data input systems. Last, it requires a repository on the customer side for operational recording and pictures. The goal is to help customers increase their mean time between unscheduled removal and aircraft readiness. Health usage and monitoring systems are already installed under various forms on modern aircraft. Old airframe and most helicopters are, however, not equipped. Our partners provide lightweight, fully integrated sensors and data logger sets which can be installed on legacy airframe under supplemental type certificate. The ARP 6461 guidelines on structural health monitoring specifies operational monitoring and damage detection. An SHM can be seen as a sensor network mimicking a human nervous system. In that case, neurons are sensors permanently attached to the structure. SHM can also be achieved by images processing from a camera. Structural defect monitoring can be achieved during visual inspection using a dedicated camera. AI-based processing can detect cracks and defects and calculate their dimensions. The rapid growth of the space sector saw the introduction of reusable launch vehicles. That type of rocket experiences high load and extreme temperature variations, which necessitate a lifetime monitoring and defect detection system. Unlike aircraft, space sensors are subject to a much harsher environment involving radiations, vacuum, low gravity, and low temperature. There exists, however, products capable of operating in this environment. To avoid interfering with avionics, sensors can be active and passive depending on the flight phase. Data transfer can be done in flight or upon landing using Wi-Fi, cellular, or telemetry. Our partners' API allow operators to fully customize their ground station. Studies show that deep learning network predictions usually fail due to data ambiguity and lack of standardization in maintenance reports. Transforming semantics into readable inputs is achieved through a smart data entry system, prioritizing drop-down lists, radio buttons, and other binary interfaces. The core analytics consist of deep learning networks and physics models. Machine learning vastly depends on the amount of data processed This is why it is complemented with physics algorithms. When correlated with technical manuals, the PMA can predict defects, extend service life, and help in decision-making. McKinsey predicts cost saving up to 25% with predictive maintenance, but there is no predictive maintenance tool as such, and every operator is different. This is why we propose tailor-made solutions which help you plan ahead and optimize your assets. Our company was born out of a desire to turn artificial intelligence into reality. We are an international team of engineers and doctors with decades of experience in the aerospace industry. Follow us on social media. Thank you.